Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. In this video, we are going to talk about two popular online whiteboard tools. These are Miro and the Boardmix. Many teams, teachers and creators use online whiteboards to brainstorm, plan and collaborate. But the big question is Boardmix really a better alternative to Miro? That's what we will find out in this video. So before we begin, let me tell you one thing. In the video description, I have added links where you can get the latest information about feature, pricing and the official updates for both Miro and the Boardmix. So if you are planning to use any of these tools, make sure to check that out after watching this video. Now let's start with Miro. Miro is one of the most popular online whiteboards. It has many templates like mind maps, Kanban board, flowchart and many more. Teams can collaborate in real time and add sticky notes, draw and they can share ideas easily. Miro also has integrations with tools like Slack, Jira and Google Drive, which makes teamwork very smooth. Now many companies, big and small, they use Miro because it is very reliable and flexible. But sometimes Miro can feel expensive, especially for smaller teams or individual. So now let's talk about the Boardmix. This is a newer tool and it is getting attention as an alternative. So it is very simple and modern. Many features are similar to Miro like real-time collaboration, templates and drawing. But Boardmix also focuses on being lighter and easier to use. The interface is very clean so new users don't feel overwhelmed. And the pricing is also often cheaper, which is a good option for the small team and the freelancers. But it may not have as many advanced integration as like Miro. So which one is better option for you? If you are a big team, need many integrations and you need a very flexible tool, then Miro is a better option for you. And if you want just simpler, lighter and a cheaper alternative, then Boardmix can be a very good option for you. Many people are switching to Boardmix because it is very easier for small teams to get started quickly. Now in short, Miro is a strong option and it has some advanced feature for users and big teams, and Boardmix is strong for simplicity and cost effectiveness. So just remember to check the description below this video for official link, updated plans and the latest deal for both tools. This will help you to make the right decision. And thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.